Good morning, everyone. Meteorologist Matt Holiner filling in for meteorologist Kirsten Lang again. It's looking like a wet day in northeast Oklahoma today, and hopefully that's all it's going to be, but there is a small chance of severe storms that we have to talk about. Now, 8 a.m. this morning, we're just talking about scattered showers and weak thunderstorms, but heavy rain and lightning in spots. Now, for the morning commute, looks like the best chance of storms just to the west of Tulsa. I still want to mention the chance for the downtown Tulsa area, but it looks like the peak for Tulsa itself is probably going to be the late morning, around 10 a.m. or so. Best chance of seeing thunderstorms. Again, not severe storms, but heavy rain and lightning in spots. Now, by the time we get to noon, the focus of this first round of activity is going to be east of the Tulsa area, but it's not going to be a lull for long, because as early as 2 o'clock this afternoon, we could see new thunderstorms fire up ahead and along a cold front. And it's these storms in the afternoon and lingering into the early evening hours where we could see a couple of severe storms. Now, I do think most of these storms are going to be regular thunderstorms, because actually the morning showers and storms helping us out. Because look at temperatures across the area. Look at the upper 60s north of Tulsa, most likely only topping out low to mid 70s in the Tulsa area, but farther to the south, those temperatures in the low 80s. So more concerned about severe weather south of Tulsa, and actually all of the morning showers and storms keeping our temperatures down. If we were going to get warmer this afternoon, I'd be more concerned about severe storms popping up. But because our temperature's not getting as warm, that's going to help limit the severe potential. Not eliminating it, so got to leave in a small chance, but I do think the greater threat for severe storms is actually going to be to the south and east of Tulsa. But again, watching for new storms to develop around 2 o'clock this afternoon. We'll leave in a small chance for severe storms. Let's continue to track the activity. I do think the peak is probably going to be a late afternoon. Notice at 4 o'clock, a little bit more showing up than at 2 o'clock. And unfortunately, we talked about the chance of rain for the morning commute. Well, there's a chance of rain for the homebound commute as well. Showers and thunderstorms. And again, leaving a small chance. Notice that most of the activity, you're just seeing the green, yellow, orange. So regular showers, weak storms. But see those dark shades of red. And again, the potential where maybe a couple of severe storms could pop up. But I do think there's going to be more severe storms to the south and east. And this is a cold front coming through. So look at temperatures coming down at 6 o'clock now, sitting in the low 60s in Tulsa, and I do think the cold front will clear northeast Oklahoma by 8 o'clock, so by 8 o'clock, no more severe storms to worry about, but still a little bit of a lingering shower activity and still maybe a couple of weak storms that we're going to have to watch out for, possibly through the overnight hours. The other thing I want to mention, there's not going to be much wind during the day today, but actually behind the cold front, so beginning around 7, 8 o'clock, it's going to be breezy for the rest of the evening hours. We're talking about gusts 20-25 miles per hour. So in this case, the strongest wind is going to be right behind this cold front. So this is 8 o'clock, and we're still talking about isolated showers and weak storms. Notice improvement by 10 o'clock. So the later you're going to be out tonight, the less likely it is that you're going to be dealing with rain. The best chance of rain is very early this evening and getting drier and drier through the night. But I don't want to eliminate the rain chance completely until we get to early tomorrow morning. By 7 a.m., I think all the rain clear of us and no longer breezy. The winds will have come down. It is going to be a chilly start tomorrow. These temperatures about 10 degrees below normal, averaging the low 50s across the area. But don't worry, though, you might want a light jacket in the morning. You will be taking that jacket off in the afternoon tomorrow. It's going to be topping out in the mid 70s. It's going to be feeling fantastic. And no more rain to worry about for the rest of the weekend. So to summarize the severe threat, remember some showers and storms around this morning, but no severe storms. But between 2 o'clock this afternoon and 8 o'clock this evening, another round of showers and storms. Most of the storms are just going to be regular thunderstorms. That's most likely. But we do have to watch out for a couple of storms to overachieve. And if we get a couple of overachieving storms, we could see up to quarter-size hail and wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Not worried about tornadoes, but because we are seeing morning showers and storms and then another round in the afternoon and early evening, most of us probably just going to see 1 to 2 inches rain, but there could be a few spots after the second round of activity comes through that see 3 inches of rain, and where 3 inches of rain occurs, that would lead to flooded roads.